Keeping your car spotless requires the right tools, and steam cleaners are a game changer. The best steam cleaners for car detailing deliver deep cleaning power, removing dirt, grime, and stains while being safe on surfaces for professional quality results. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. McCulloch Car Detailing Steam. The McCulloch Car Detailing Steam Cleaner is a powerhouse machine designed for those who want professional level results without the cost of constant visits to a detail shop. What makes the steamer stand out is its chemical-free cleaning ability, relying solely on hot, pressurized steam to lift away grease, grime, stains, and dirt from a wide variety of surfaces. It isn't limited to just automotive use. It can also clean tile, grout, granite, laminate, appliances, and more. For car enthusiasts, though, it truly shines with its detailing-oriented design. The included 23 accessories such as brushes, angled nozzles, scrub pads, and a squeegee make it easy to target stubborn stains and hard-to-reach crevices, giving you a spotless finish inside your vehicle. Another highlight is the large 64-ounce water tank, which heats up in under 12 minutes and provides up to 120 minutes of continuous steam, meaning you can complete an entire detailing session without constant refills. The on-demand variable steam control and optional steam lock let you customize the pressure, while the 4-bar 58 psi pressure ensures powerful cleaning. The long 18-foot power cord and 7-foot steam hose add to its versatility, giving you reach and maneuverability to clean interiors and exteriors with ease. Whether you're tackling dirty carpets, greasy dashboards, or tough spots on upholstery, this machine delivers consistent performance. It's particularly useful for allergy sufferers or those who prefer to avoid harsh cleaning chemicals, since the natural steam sanitizes as it cleans. Number 2. Dupray Car Detailing Steam. The Dupray Car Detailing Steam Cleaner is a compact yet powerful machine designed for thorough, chemical-free cleaning. Generating superheated steam up to 275 degrees Fahrenheit or 135 degrees Celsius, it lifts dirt, grease, and grime with ease, making it especially effective for car interiors and exteriors. Unlike many cleaners that require harsh detergents, the Dupray system uses only water, making it eco-friendly and safe for sensitive surfaces. With its versatile set of attachments, this steam cleaner is perfect, not just for cars, but also for kitchens, bathrooms, upholstery, and more, giving it a wide range of applications. For car detailing, its precision nozzles and brushes allow you to deep clean carpets, dashboards, vents, and tight corners that are normally tough to reach. One standout feature is its ability to disinfect, with lab-tested results showing it can kill 99.9% of bacteria and viruses, including E. coli and Staphylococcus aureus, when used properly. This makes it especially valuable for those who want a hygienic cleaning solution without chemicals. The lightweight and portable design ensures maneuverability, which is crucial when moving around a vehicle. Despite its compact build, it includes a large tank that delivers up to 50 minutes of continuous steam per fill, minimizing interruptions during cleaning. This balance of portability and extended runtime makes it convenient for longer detailing sessions. Additionally, the build quality is sleek and user-friendly, with an intuitive operation that both beginners and experienced users will appreciate. Number 3. BISSELL Car Detailing Steam. The BISSELL Car Detailing Steam Cleaner is an impressive machine that goes beyond standard steam cleaning by combining steam, powerful suction, and oxy cleaning formulas for maximum stain removal. Known for its HydroSteam technology, it delivers up to 50% better cleaning performance on stubborn, set-in stains compared to traditional methods. This makes it especially effective for car owners dealing with tough, stuck-on messes, oily residues, or pet-related accidents inside their vehicle. With 3 cleaning modes, steam wash, steam, and wash, you can tailor the cleaning process to the type of mess you're tackling, whether it's greasy buildup on upholstery, refreshing interior fabric, or removing enzyme-based stains. One of the standout advantages of this machine is its fast drying capability, allowing upholstery to dry in about 30 minutes, meaning you can get back to enjoying your car sooner. For versatility, the BISSELL cleaner comes with specialized tools like the 5-inch tough stain tool for stubborn areas, and a multi-surface tool that extends its use to tile, grout, sneakers, and more, giving it a wide range of applications. The dual tank system is another convenient feature, separating clean and dirty water for a more hygienic experience. The 64-ounce tank capacity is generous, reducing the need for frequent refills during larger jobs. Another bonus is the inclusion of BISSELL's Pet Pro Awasky Spot and Stain Eliminator with Stain Protect, which not only removes permanent stains but also prevents future ones from setting in. Number 4. Awasky Detailing Steam. The Awasky Detailing Steam Cleaner offers a smart balance of power, portability, and efficiency for those who want reliable car detailing without the bulk of larger steam machines. With a rapid 50-second heat-up time, it delivers steam temperatures between 230 Fahrenheit and 260 Celsius, making it effective for cutting through dirt, grease, and stains. Unlike many other models, the Awasky allows you to add water at any time during operation without shutting it down, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning sessions. The Awasky's chemical-free operation makes it a safe and eco-friendly option, perfect for households looking to avoid harsh cleaners. Cost-effectiveness is another strength, as it saves money on cleaning supplies while helping prolong the life of car interiors and home furniture. One important note is that the manufacturer recommends using the included fiber cap for fabric and wooden surfaces, and wearing a heat-resistant glove during use to ensure safety. Number 5. Wagner Car Detailing Steam. The Wagner Car Detailing Steam Cleaner is a practical and versatile tool designed to simplify vehicle cleaning with the natural power of steam. Heating water to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, it produces pressurized steam that loosens dirt, dissolves grease, cuts grime, and lifts stains without the need for chemicals. This makes it a safe and eco-friendly option for car interiors and exteriors alike. It is capable of cleaning leather seats, upholstery. The 40-ounce water tank provides decent runtime, while the machine's simple operation ensures that even beginners can achieve great results. You simply add distilled water, connect the right attachment, and let the steam do the work. One of its strengths is the included set of 12 accessories, which feature nozzles, brushes, and attachments tailored for different surfaces. Choosing the best steam cleaners for car detailing ensures your vehicle stays spotless, sanitized, and looking like new. From powerful heavy-duty models to compact portable options, these cleaners offer chemical-free deep cleaning for every need. Each product provides unique strengths, so whether you prioritize runtime, portability, or versatility, there's a steam cleaner here to match your detailing goals.